Hello, my name is ATP and welcome to another episode of the best stocks you can buy, this time for October 2024. Today, I will share with you a stock that I believe is an exceptional investment opportunity right now. As always, I will reveal which stock this is, present my detailed analysis with its fair value calculation, and buy it for my personal portfolio. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more investing insights, and let's get started. Before diving into the full analysis of the best stock for this month, I want to thank XTB for supporting this video. XTB is a broker platform with 0% commissions for buying stocks and ETFs with a minimum transaction value of only €10. With XTB, you can invest knowing that your money is safe. XTB is my personal choice for creating investment portfolios for both stocks and ETFs, and here are some of the results of the stocks I have covered in previous episodes. Hershey with a current profit of 5.3%, FMC with a positive 4.8%, PayPal up 32%, Quest Diagnostics with a current net profit of 15%, Cisco Systems up 8.5%, Adapt Systems both in two different months currently with an average profit of 8%, Starbucks up 31.6%, and then Disney and Comcast acquired more recently with a current profit of 4% and 5% respectively. They both pay dividends, but I haven't received them yet since I just acquired these stocks recently. All these stocks were analyzed and acquired in previous episodes, so feel free to go back and watch those to confirm these results. This also demonstrates that the fair value analysis I present in these types of videos for free have consistently yielded good returns. Apart from this, I also hold other high-performing stocks in my portfolio, such as Meta with almost a 300% gain and Amazon with a 61% return. If you'd like to know more about my full portfolio, including both stocks and ETFs, you can visit my new website algotradepro.com and go to this page. The link is in the description. Now, for today's episode, I will show you and buy a stock that I have never had in my portfolio before. Merk & Company with the ticker MRK, one of the largest medicinal companies in the world and a stable, safe choice for any long-term portfolio. Merck is ranked 37th globally by market cap, making it a highly attractive and stable stock to hold in any portfolio. It is a pharmaceutical leader famous for its innovation in vaccines and cancer treatments. With a diverse and expanding pipeline of treatments and a consistent record of profitability, Merck is well positioned to weather economic fluctuations and deliver steady returns. Now, let's jump to our technical analysis. Let's start by looking at the 600 SMMA, the smoothed moving average, which is one of my favorite indicators for analyzing stock stability. As you can see on the chart, Merck's price has been highly stable, almost always staying above this line. When it approaches this level, it typically gains strong support and bounces back to new highs. Right now, Merck has experienced an unusual drop of 20%, which is not common for this stock, making it an excellent buying opportunity in my view. At the moment, the price is still a bit far from the SMMA line, but it is also close to a key support level, which I will dive into later in this video. Now, let's calculate Merck's fair value. If you have been following this series, you know I use a variety of premium sources, most of which I have to pay for. However, in these videos I show you all the predictions for free. Firstly, using the discounted cash flow or DCF analysis from the Finbox website, Merck shows a potential price appreciation of 28% with the growth exit formula, 25% with the EBITDA exit multiple, and 20% with the revenue exit formula. Each of these analyses uses different metrics to calculate the fair value, and it's very solid to see that all three are optimistic and present similar values. Then, according to professional investors' forecasts on the premium Simply Wall Street website, Merck is 62.5% undervalued, with a fair value of around $289. Additionally, Merk's price to earnings or PE ratio is currently below its industry average, suggesting the stock is trading at a discount compared to its competition. Continuing with another valuation method from MarketBeat, Merk's fair value shows a 23.89% upside, with a price target of $134. Then I also like to check the alpha spread, which calculates three scenarios: a base case with a fair value of $148, an optimistic case at $212, and even in the worst case scenario, Merk's fair value is still $116, which is higher than the current price, indicating a rare opportunity where even the pessimistic scenario shows an upside. And finally, value investing predicts an upside of 31.54%, with a fair value of $142. And so, when we average all of these values together, Merk's fair value comes out to around $160. And since the stock is currently trading at around $108, this gives us a 48% potential upside, offering us a large margin of safety. On top of that, Merk pays a 2.9% annual dividend, which adds another layer of value to holding the stock long term. Now let's add to my XStation 5 account to buy some shares of Merk. For those unfamiliar, XStation 5 is the platform provided by XTB, allowing you to buy stocks with 0% commissions. You can use the link in the description to create your account and follow along. So let's search for Merk in the Market Watch. Select the stock option, not the CFD, and check the price action on the chart. Then I will right click on the chart, select new order, and for the first time in this series we are going to do something new. First, I'm going to buy one share of Merk at the current price by clicking on the buy button and confirming the order. Done. Now I will repeat the process, but this time I will set a limit order to buy another share if the stock drops to the support level we talked about earlier. In this case, we are talking about the level around the $101 mark. This way, we can take advantage of the current opportunity while also being prepared for a further dip to increase our position at a more attractive price. So, I will set the price to $101, insert one stock here, and now I just have to click on buy limit and it's done. This order is now waiting to be activated in my pending orders tab. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Merk and how to find good stock opportunities. If you have any stock ideas for next month's episode, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.